Hey guys, what's up? We are back another week. It's What's Cooking with Chef Noel, and of course I am Chef Noel Cunningham. So this week it's all about curry coconut chickpea. So big up to all my vegans, big up to all my vegetarian. This week is your week. You've asked for it, and you know, it's your Jamaican chef, right? Which always give you what you want. So this is What's Cooking with Chef Noel. We're live every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I'm coming to you live from Toronto. Last week I wasn't actually live, but I saw you guys, watching the premiere and interacting. So thank you guys. I was actually doing some filming for a project that I'm working on coming up in August. So this week I am back with you guys, my favorite people. Alright, so as usual, tell me where you're watching from, what you're cooking, what you're sipping. Let's interact, right? So as I said earlier, I'll be making a curry coconut chickpea, and this recipe is actually from my cookbook. That's it, the curry coconut chickpea. And I'm gonna make a lime rice as well. Alright, so you can get my book off Amazon, Amazon.com, Amazon CA, Amazon UK, it's there, you can get it. So let's start off with your rice first on the back burner. So tell me where you're watching from. Introduce yourself to me, So let's start our rice. We got some rice over here, washed already. So shout out to all my vegans and my vegetarian. This week is your week. And so we add the rice to the pot there. We're gonna add 1 cup of water to it. And I'm gonna add some coconut milk as well. Just a little coconut milk to the rice. Yeah. Baltimore ATL is in the house. And guys, so the dish that I'm making, it's from my cookbook, and I also posted the link for the recipe. So, and I'm adding some lime juice to the rice. Hey Mod, what's up? I'm gonna add some lime zest to the rice itself. So it's a lime rice, guys. Hope my vegans are watching, eh? They asked for this. Wow, that sounds good. Toasted cashew, cinnamon, and almond rice. Yeah, man. So we had some lime juice, some lime zest to the rice. UK in the building. I'm gonna have a little, margarine there. But if you're vegan, you want to use all your little healthy stuff. Let's add some salt to this. Not too much. You want to keep it, don't. So what you guys cooking today? What's cooking today in your kitchen? Scarborough, hey, what's up, Scarborough? So remember to like and share this video, guys. Share with your friends. Share the video with your friends, or share it so that you can find it whenever you are ready to, watch again. So let's cover our pot. We got this, so I'm sharing the video, so make sure you share the video as well. Yeah, so make sure you share the video. If you're just joining, welcome, welcome. Oh, this is the book. It's on Amazon, amazon.com, Amazon CA. If you go there, you will see the e-copy, a green looking one. Click on it, then you click hardcover. This is the one that you want, hardcover. Navy bean soup. Shared and started a watch party. Thank you so much, guys. Share and start all your watch parties. Let's party together. All right. So we're making the curry coconut chickpea, which I love so much. It's a dish that I try to have at least once per week. So I start off with some onion. I'm gonna saute this. Usually I add some garlic and ginger, but I got some powder over here I'm gonna use. In my chickpea, I use some curry, some tomato paste. I use two different kinds of curry. I use the Madras curry. I use regular curry. And I use also some cinnamon powder. And I always like to add some spinach to mine with lots of coconut milk. So it's kind of, you know, rich vibes I want. Get the rice a bubble around there, so. Alright now. So I like to add my tomato paste now. You know, just half a onion, 2 tablespoons tomato paste. You guys seeing good? So we're gonna add the curry powder now to this. 2 kinds of curry I'm using, I said. I know my Jamaicans, you know, like to burn them curry, them like the better pack curry, right? So our food is out of many one, you know, so we have a very diverse culinary culture in Jamaica. So sometimes we cooking stuff and you're like, oh, that's not Jamaican. It is Jamaican. You know, away from jerk, we adopted so many other, you know, food and flavors. So now I'm gonna add the coconut milk and I'm gonna start my sauce. Lots of coconut milk. Yeah. You can use a coconut oil. You can use a coconut oil. Let's use a regular oil. So what I do, I also add my carrot early so they can, you know, cook. In the meantime, so I use like 1.5 cup coconut milk and like 1/2 cup, you know, water to this. Because once you add your chickpeas to this, it's gonna absorb all that liquid. So you wanna make sure that you have enough in it. I'm gonna turn up my flame. And I'm gonna add my cinnamon powder now to this. It's like a teaspoon there. Coconut milk in a can, or I use the can one. I don't have I have some, I do on my own sometimes, like when I buy these, you know, I use the water and then if I have time, I'll just do my own. But for this one, I'm actually using the can one. If you want to use the coconut, go ahead, you know, cut it up, blend it, or if you want to grate it and squeeze it, like grandma did, sure. So we need to add some salt now to this. We need to add the skeleton and thyme. So we're adding everything now, so once it starts to boil, then the flavor just starts to build. I'm gonna crack my pepper and just add to it, so I can get the nice flavor, because I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to it. It's a little spicy. By now you guys know I love to cook with spice, right? In my book I have a spicy fried chicken. So I'm using some cayenne pepper in this. And this is a nice dish if you are trying to go vegan, if you're a vegetarian, you're trying to have less meat in your diet, that kind of vibe. Or if it's your plan, you know, to lose a little weight for the summer, yeah, going meatless is good. And when I say meatless, I'm not talking about fully coming off meat, but less meat for the week, right? So you have at least one day for the week where you said, hey, no, you're not late, Carlene, welcome. So at least one day for the week you say, hey, I'm not gonna have no meat on, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is my meatless day. You can do that, you know, create a day in your home where you can have a system. And it's not hard, guys. It's not hard to go meatless because look, you wake up in the morning, you can have some almond corn porridge for your breakfast. Then for lunch, you can have this. Then for supper, there's always like, you know, some steamed cabbage, callaloo, something, you know, just slowly. Start off with things that you like. We also did I think we did a seafood stew peas. Yeah, we did a seafood stew peas 1 week on the show, you know, so that's the next thing that you can also try to, the seafood stew peas, and, you know, take it from there. So we got the skin and thyme inside, we got some salt, and you can taste this to see what's going on for the flavor. And it's a very quick cook, guys, quick cook. And the spice is good with a little more salt, and we're good. And as you can see, the curry, nice and rich and pretty, nice color with the tomato paste, right? And I'm tasting the cinnamon in it. And oh yes, Emily, you feel every March I do meatless March, right? So 1 month no meat at all. And the first few days you feel lousy, but then, hey Grace, what's up? I'm making your curry coconut chickpea with some spinach. And then I'm using the one from the can, guys, but these are good. These are not so soft. Look, ooh, you see? These are really good. So I still simmer these. They are not too soft. It's a good brand. And honestly, I felt so better for the 1 month I was on, you know, just veg. Yeah, man, you see? So what you can do is go in the search bar up top on Facebook and type "What's Cooking with Chef Noel," and you will see all the videos that you missed, guys. All the videos, you will find them. Just type "What's Cooking with Chef Noel," and you can also go to my website, cuisinebynoel.com. I'm on Instagram as well at I am Chef Noel. You know, I'm always posting recipes, so you can find me there. I have some recipe here on Jamaicans.com. So making the curry coconut chickpea, guys. Oh my God, I wish you guys could smell it. Look at this. And I don't need to thicken this. It's all thickened. Oh my God, oh my God. I wish you got, this is just a sauce, guys. This is just a sauce. There's no chickpea in this. I'm gonna add the chickpea now. And if you got frozen spinach at home, it's perfect for this dish. Frozen spinach. And the chickpeas is gonna absorb all this juice, and you know, so. The dried chickpea, you have to cook it, right? You have to boil it, just like kidney bean, dried kidney bean, until it's tender. Some people, they pressure it. It's very tough. You treat it same as kidney bean. And our lime rice is almost ready. I just did 1 cup of rice. And if you want, you can make a roti with this, or you know, some doubles. You want to have some naan. So I'm doing a lime rice today, guys. That's what I'm doing now, mostly meatless. Yes, man. If you can do meatless one day for the week and you go 2, trust me, it's pretty. And then you got so much like vegan stuff now, right? Like, you know, vegan cheese. So you can still make your food that you love, but it's more on a plant-based diet, right? So you got plant-based cheese, you got oxtail, which looks like oxtail, but it's not. Yes, if you look up above the video, you will see the recipe. I think I put it there. I can also, let me just see if I can put it right here. That's the recipe right there. Oh Lord, that's the wrong one I put there. Yeah, the recipe is there. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, but I said you treat it like kidney bean, right? But you cook it longer. You pressure it. It's harder to cook. So we want this to reduce a little more, and then the chickpeas, you're gonna, you know, soften a bit. Woo! Look at that. Yummy. So we're gonna, I got some fresh, I'm gonna add my spinach now. And my spinach is gonna all wilt and go missing. And then we're almost ready to plate up. It's ready to get the canned chickpea. The canned chickpeas are good, guys. If you want to go dry, fine. Rice. Oh yeah, the canned chickpeas are really good, man. So remember to share the video, and all the links are above for the recipe. Yeah. So the link for the recipe is above. Also, so if you're coming on late, don't worry, we got you. And remember that you can also type in the search bar, I said earlier, what's Cooking with Chef Noel, to find all the old videos. And can you believe that this week is the 11th week already, since we've been cooking? 11 weeks already, eh? That's like season 1, you know, that's like season 1 of some talk show, guys. 11 weeks. A sneak peek is just like 6 weeks. You wanna make coconut milk? Get you coconut and you make coconut milk. So we're gonna plate this up in a nice bowl over here. Just let it simmer a bit more, and then we're all ready and good to go. So what should we cook next week as usual? What should we cook next week? Should we bake next week? What should we prepare? And remember, you go get the book. Go get the book. If you want a signed copy, you can message me on my page up there, and I can always mail you a signed copy. So you can just inbox me, send me your address, and I send you a signed copy. No worries, I got you. I'm not gonna add no cornstarch to this or nothing. Hey, thanks Jennifer. 11 weeks, that's good, right? Thanks to COVID, right? Yeah, man, some lime juice is in the rice. We did steamed fish. No, we did steamed shrimp with okra already. We did seafood stew peas. We did a coconut stew chicken. We did cornmeal pudding already. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. What else we did? What else we did? Remind me, guys. Maud, remind me. I'm trying to remember. Plus we made so many cocktails on the show. We made Blue Lagoon. We did so many cocktails, man. So if you missed those shows, you need to tune in every next week Wednesday. Since it's summer. So first of all, today I wanted to show you guys how to do a coconut fried chicken. But we can save for our next time, and then we can do the coconut fried chicken, then turn it into a sandwich. Yeah, I did the brown stew chicken with coconut milk in it. I would did, yeah, yes. So Jennifer tell me that ton cornmeal with fish. You did ton cornmeal and fish as well. Black cake and that difficult icing, please. The icing easy. Make a healthy pudding, we can. Maybe alright, next week we'll make two so we're gonna do ribs. So my friend Trisha, she lives in North Carolina, right Trisha? North Carolina, NC, yeah. And she has her own line of barbecue sauce, and we're gonna do a giveaway. So because you guys been so good by watching every week and sharing, which you guys need to share more. Share the video more. Share the video. We're gonna do a giveaway of the sauce. Let me go grab it. Let me go grab it. So this one is the mild, this one is the hot, and it's called Ramel's Catering, Ramel's Food. So you can follow her page, Ramel's, and next week we're gonna do a barbecue ribs inside the oven. I'm gonna show you guys how to get that nice, juicy ribs without going outside, right? And it's also from my book. You see that? This was done in the oven, not the grill. So for those of you who live in places where you can't go outside or it's too hot to grill, you can enjoy a nice grillness inside. Yes, man, I did seasoned rice. That's why I love Jennifer. Jennifer, pay attention. She take her notes. She come to class early. And Jennifer know where I go on. Escovitch fish and bami. Yeah, we did that, right? Yeah. We did that. Alright, so food ready now, guys. Food ready now. Who remember growing up in Jamaica and running a boat? Especially in the summer, right? When everybody put together and, you know, go one side and run a boat, either on coal stove or on hot plate. Who remember that? Who remember those days? So a few weeks ago I did a podcast on that, you know, running a boat, food memories, and it was so good. Yeah, and we have more giveaways coming up. I think in a few, you know, days or so, I'll also be giving away a book. We have lots of giveaways coming up for you guys. You guys have been great for the past 11 weeks. So you guys deserve some giveaway, right? So we have the sauce from Ramel's coming up. We got a cookbook giveaway. You know, stuff like that coming up. All right, pickle ready, pickle ready, pickle ready. All right, So this is the lime rice. Usually I'd serve this with roasted tomato. You can message me. So if you look above the page, guys, you can follow me on my page, Chef Noel Cunningham, or type in Cuisine by Noel. You can follow me there. If you're on Instagram, at I am Chef Noel. Wood fire on the use, yeah? But remember now, when you are on a boat, there are lots of rules, right? You cannot use your parents' stove. You have to take hide and take some food stuff. Right? So there are some rules with running a boat. I think some persons in other Caribbean island, they call it hook up. Hook up is the same that we call run a boat. Yeah man, the kitchen hot, place hot, place hot. Alright now, so food ready. So you see the spinach all wilt down, right? Bam! So you want to get, this is all healthy, guys. So for those of you who trying to lose a COVID weight and a COVID fat, this is a great way to do so. A little lime, you know. That's my farm to table over there. A little something over there. And even though you're at home, guys, try at all time to garnish your food. Present your food like you're eating out. Don't wait until you're, just dining out that you present your food properly. Like, it's simple, look, just one little thing, right? Boom. A little cilantro leaf, and it bring it up, right? You're serving your food to your partner, to your kids. Serve it in a way to them that's it's presentable, and try to portion your food properly. And if you want more, you always go back for it. But just a little something today. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you guys will give this dish a try. The recipe is there. Remember to like the video, share, and I also have some videos on my YouTube as well. So if you want to head on over to YouTube, I got some videos there. Just type in Chef Noel Cunningham, it's there. Boom, Chef Noel Cunningham on YouTube. You find some recipes. I have Easter bun there. I have banana fritters there. I have shrimp. I have oven jerk chicken. Lots of videos. So while I'm not live, you can still watch Chef Noel cooking up some of your favorites on YouTube. Alright, so we'll do this all over again next week. And for those of you who are on my page, of course, tomorrow night we're going live for our What's Cooking with Chef Noel. So we're live here on Wednesday night, and on Thursdays I'm live on my page, which is Cuisine by Noel. Yeah man, tomato paste gives it a nice flavor with the coconut milk and the cinnamon. I added some cinnamon to mine. So yeah, this is it. And this is my supper. We say dinner, right? But Canadian they say supper. I'm like, what the hell is supper? Supper is after I have my dinner. This is dinner, right? And about 9 o'clock, that's when I have supper, right? Right guys? July 17, oh yeah. Happy birthday when it comes. Just what they hate, yeah? Yeah, so cinnamon, coconut milk, tomato paste makes a big difference in the thing here, and it took like what? Less than 20 minutes, right guys? So it don't have to take long to be fancy or to be pretty or to be healthy. It's all about, plan your meal ahead of time for the week, next week. Okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Have your stuff ready. And if you have space in your fridge, you can always prep. Have your onion cut already, dice up in something, have this ready. See, just pull out and you have all your stuff ready. Have your scallion wash already and good to go. What you drinking? I ain't drinking nothing this week. I might have a beer after this, alright? It's very hot. My son asked for curry chicken yesterday. I use potato. Yours is thick with... Oh yeah, mine, yeah, it's thick. Because of the tomato paste. The tomato paste gives it body, right? I did a beer braised oxtail recently and it was really, really good, really thick as well. And I didn't have to add no paste, no cornstarch or any flour paste to it. Can I see from the beginning? Yeah, man. So once I finish, you'll be able to see from the beginning. Alright, guys. So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video, right? Alright. Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.